Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. Today we are going to be doing a talk through video because yeah, we don't normally do those too often and I just want to do something different. Anyways, today we have two converti caps. Okay, this one I already took out the pack because I wanted to see like how it looked. I couldn't wait because I had so many other ways to film and I couldn't wait. But anyways, we have two today. So we have the converti caps in Bahama Mama and I have it in DR Honey Auburn. And then I also have the Bahama Mama in the color number one. Number one is my favorite color, but I wanted to get something and show you guys like something different. And plus, like, I think this would complement my skin tone really well. So let's jump right in. I know some of you guys are like, girl, this unit is old, but this was sold out everywhere. It was like pretty much hard to get your hands on it like anywhere. So yeah, I was just so geeked when I found it, and of course I will link in the description box below in case you were like me and you didn't get to get your hands on it. Okay, you guys know the converti caps. Is this my first converti cap on my channel? I think it is. Yeah, so this is a converti cap by Outre, and it's Bahama Mama. So with their converti caps, you could wear them as half wigs, half up half down style, a ponytail. You can pretty much do whatever you want to with it. Today I'm going to be wearing it as a full wig because I am using protective styling. Okay, but I just wanted to let you guys know that it does have more versatility beyond what I'm going to show you today. So here's the cap construction. It is well constructed. It does have combs all around, and then it also comes with a drawstring. So yeah, it's very secure and it does lay flatter at the top, so you don't have to worry about, you know, anything. So let's just put this on. And I am wearing it as a full cap today, so might look a little bit crazy at first, okay, or a lot of it crazy. Like, look at how I look. Oh my god. So yeah, this is what you get when you just put it on. I do particularly want to wear it in a fro. I love fros because they just make me feel amazing. So anyways, yeah, this is what you get when you first put it on. It does not look like too bad like once you maneuver it and everything, but for me personally, I was playing with this a little bit already and I just know that this is not going to be the fro for me. Okay, so we gonna put this thing down, flip it, and reverse it, literally. Okay, so I'm actually going to be turning it upside down, and then of course you're gonna have to hide this little drawstring, and I'm not gonna put it tight for the purposes of you know, I'm gonna switch out to the other one, and I'm not wearing like a wig cap or anything. But yeah, you see how that just changed the dynamic of everything. Okay, like I feel like this looks a lot better, and it seems like the layers are a little bit better already there. So if you're a person like me who's lazy, or you just don't know how to like layer and stuff, like I feel like that is a super good trick. So yes honey, you're welcome. But anyways, I feel like the bangs look really good, and the overall fro look, it looks really good. And one thing I love about it is that this is rooted throughout, so you don't have to worry about, you know, being clocked or anything. And plus this is, you know, you could wear it as a fro wig. You could wear it however you want to. I'm wearing it as a fro and I feel like it's not clockable. I'm not gonna run my fingers through it or anything because I don't want it to get like too big yet, because over time it's just gonna get bigger and more beautiful. So I'll let it take its natural course. But yeah, so this is how it looks. Let me try to show you guys the back. But yeah, this is how it looks. Like, how cute is this curly, like this curly fro? And the curls are just so perfect. They look so natural looking, like you don't have to manipulate them or anything. And yeah, I just love this curl pattern. It's just so freaking beautiful. And you see how easy it was for me to slay that. Like, come on now, like this is cute, honey. But yeah, I already was playing with it, so I kind of learned that I had to turn it upside down, and that was it. Like, that was super simple, because you know sometimes fros, they're hard to manipulate. But yeah, This is cute, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. But I really like this color on me as well. I feel like it complements my skin tone well. And this is going to give what needs to be gave, like, anytime. I feel like I could wear this all year round and serve a look, okay? Like, look at this. So freaking cute. Okay, so now we are going to do a wig swap, okay? And no edges was damaged or hurt in that, okay, because I didn't like clip it down or anything. So yeah, here's the blue one. Here's the black one, the color number 1. So the curls are just really pretty. Like, I hope you guys can see the curl pattern is just really pretty. Because I don't think I showed you guys up close with the other one, but yeah, this curl pattern is to die for. And I'm just gonna put it on like right side up so you guys can see how it looks, and so I can see how it looks, because I've never tried this one. So yeah, we got the same crazy look with it right side up. Just wanted to confirm that the same thing was going on. So let's put our thing down, flip it and reverse it. With the black one, it seems like the same thing is happening, but it looks a little bit better. But it seems like the same thing is happening that was happening with it right side up. I think I have to just cut a little bit of bangs. I need to put this to the side, so let me finesse this a little bit and then we will talk about it. Okay, so it didn't take much to go ahead and just make this work for me. I just had to cut like a little bit of bang to make it work. I didn't layer this part. Now it's up to you if you want to layer like the other parts, but honestly, like, I feel like the layers kind of fall like okay in my personal opinion, because it is like lightly layered a little bit. So I am completely okay with this fro. But yeah, it looks really cute. Like, I like this. I could see this being like my go-to, like if I don't feel like doing anything else or just for something cute. I could definitely see myself just going to this. So yeah, this is really cute, and I love how bouncy and like how much life the hair has, like stiff wear. But yeah, I really do like this. Like, I think this is so freaking cute. Like, I just love curly fros. Like, they're just life, okay? And then they're so easy to deal with. Like, you don't even have to leave out any of your real hair, lay down any lace or anything like that. And I'm loving it. And you can't see like any tracks or anything either. So you are good to go, girl. Like, and this unit is very affordable. Now it is going to be more than your regular hair distributors, because I'm going to put down an Amazon link, but that's the only place that I was able to find like the actual colors that I wanted. So yeah, so it might be a little bit more, but it's still affordable, because yeah. But anyways, like, yeah, this is really cute. Like, and she's definitely giving off vibes. I'm loving this curly fro. So yeah, this is definitely going to be in my wig arsenal as a go-to, because this is super cute. But yeah, overall what I think about this unit is that it's just fabulous. I wish I could have tried it like a long time ago, and I'm so happy because it is very versatile, so I can do different things with this. Like, I could wear it as a normal half wig, which is one of the ways it's intended to wear. I don't have to always wear it as a full wig. I can wear it in a ponytail. I could pretty much do whatever I want, so I really do like that. But I am loving this curly fro, okay? So what I recommended, definitely, is really cute, and I just love how simplistic it is. But yeah, anyways, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried this unit out and what colors did you try it out in, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.